Most Go High Level users have no idea this even exists. But Go High Level just gave us AI minions that you can literally boss around. I'm not kidding. I tell them what to do and they execute immediately. No employees, no freelancers, no waiting. Just obedient AI minions handling everything for you. So what I'm about to show you is the future of everything digital marketing. Why? Because sentient AI agents will do everything for you. And those who can understand and use this now will get ahead. And High Level is one of the best places to do this because they make it easy and it's integrated with everything else natively. So first we come into Ask AI. We first have something where we can ask it questions, we can have it do stuff for us, and it will obey. So for example, I'm like, let's get a social media post for my campaign. We'll start with something small before we move on to the big stuff. Boom, look at that. Just immediately puts on, I didn't even give it context and immediately just obeyed. Now you might be like, well, I could have done that on ChatGPT. Well, can ChatGPT generate you a funnel? Can it write an entire email for your new campaign? Can it do any of those things? Can it build automations? Can it build websites? Well, these AI minions can. So if I come down to automations and I'm like, you know what? I need to build an automation today. The old me would have come to create workflow and spent 3 hours building them. Instead, I can come right here and go, let me tell this automation minion what to do. So I'm like, hey, I need an automation right now. You have to get sassy with them. I need a very long 7-week email promo for a Christmas special I am running for my SaaS agency. Enter. You got to really tell them what to do. And it's already getting right to work generating my beautiful workflow. Wow, look at that. Look how long this is. That is a huge automation just built. And we click this. Guess what? It even did all of the text as well. It did everything. From A to Z, everything. And I can even come in here and tell it to do more stuff. Like, hey, add this, add this, add this. I can do all kinds of stuff and make this thing work for me. And here's the thing. What I can do is I can have these minions work in one tab while I'm over in another tab doing something else. So I'm maximizing my workload by 2x. Now, if we come to websites and I'm like, you know, I kind of want to build a website. I could just build it from scratch. Or if I come in, I'm like, you know, I want to do some website edits, but, you know, I don't have time and I'm feeling kind of lazy. Or I want to watch the football game that's on TV. Well, what I could do is I could just tell my minions to do the work for me. So I come in here, I say, you know, I want all these buttons to be green on this website with white text. Do it now. Sorry, just had to tell him. I had to put a little authority into that one. Oh my gosh, look at that. Green buttons across the website. Look at this, look at this, look at this. It just did all of that. It even give you a summary of all the hard work it did. It'll give you a summary. You guys seeing how powerful this is? I could ask it to do anything. I could say, change all of the pictures to be different. I mean, watch this. I could change all of the pictures to much better bright car images. Okay, I'm just telling it something completely different because I'm going to show you the power of these AI minions. They will do anything for you. They will not complain, they will not argue, and they will legitimately do whatever you ask in super fast time, and they'll do it very well. Oh, what is this? It's asking me for clarification? Okay, look at this. So I'll say, I want every image, and I want you to create and do all of it. I'm not lifting a finger. You gotta tell it. I didn't spell it right and it knows what I'm talking about. And guys, again, the whole point is that this will do, and guys, again, the whole point is these AI minions, these AI servants, or whatever you want to call them, will do so much work for you. Okay, so cool. You could line up website after website and have all these edits being worked where you're basically like a 5-man show when you're one person and you're getting all this done while you're doing something else. Because this is the future of marketing. And don't worry, later in this video, I'm going to answer the question you're probably having about how this is going to go down in the future and what happens to agencies. Because the answer is different than you think. Boom, look at that. New images across the entire website. These actually look really good. But look at that. Completely, I mean, everything. It changed literally everything. And these photos look good. They look clean. They look crisp. Guys, what I'm trying to get you to see is that there's going to come a time soon where AI will not just double, not just triple, but like 8 times X, whatever is your workflow. Like you'll be able to do so much more than before. And in high level, they're working very hard to give you that. I believe that high level will be the best and biggest AI software available. I truly believe that high level is leading the charge on this front, because unlike these other softwares, Anyden and all these other AI, minion builders, the problem about them is they don't have the CRM. They don't have all of the features built in. High level does. It's just connecting them with AI as opposed to you having to get out the duct tape. So there's so many other things we could do here. We could build websites from scratch. We could generate campaigns, help assist with calendars, organizing contacts, and the AI will obey and it will follow instructions. And they're AI servants. They'll work for you whenever you want. But here's the important part, because you might be like, wow, okay, this is kind of random. AI can now do everything. Is my job at stake? Here's the thing. And this is my piece of wisdom to you. What I'm starting to see is that as the AI tools get better and better, two things are happening. Number one, human beings are getting lazier and lazier. For some reason, a lot of people still don't build websites because they're literally so lazy they'd rather have someone else do it. So humans are always getting lazier. So don't underestimate human laziness. Number two, prospecting is becoming more important. Focus less on tech, more on prospecting, because the more you can sell and get people in, you can just upsell them on the newest AI features. Easy. It's much easier than having to constantly learn tech and do all this stuff. And that's why in my community, I go over prospecting so much. And we got a lot of wins in here. We even have trainings on how to get clients and systems on how to get clients, because it is the most important part. It is by far. We even have calls on prospecting. They're literally prospecting calls. Now, a lot of people are like, well, that's cool, but how come I never learned this? It's because you probably learned from someone that didn't know what they were talking about. And even more with this new age coming out with AI taking over, it's actually becoming easier to make money. Now, people think no, harder, but it's actually becoming easier because you can do so much more. And humans still are lazy and they still won't find a way. I mean, you see how many people still don't have websites. Like, this is a real thing. And the crazy part is those who prospect, those who go out, and those who sell, they can take these AI minions and sell them for hundreds per month or use them for themselves, okay, and triple their workflow. So guys, it's only going to get better and better and better. Soon, you'll be able to click this and say, I want a calendar built with an AI voice agent built, and this, and it'll do everything for you, okay? Now, here's the really fun part, is that I have a 30-day free trial link down below. And when you sign up with that, you're going to get access to all of these calls, all of these trainings, the really in-depth stuff on how to get clients, the systems, how to get clients, sales scripts, snapshots, all of the stuff you're going to need, including a private community to guide you on this process. So in 2026 and beyond, you can master this and sell a ton of people. That's my goal. That's what I want to help you with, because that's what matters most. And it's only going to get more important as AI gets better. I'm telling you guys, I'm seeing a lot of people in my community crush it. People actually that suck at tech. That's the funny part, because the AI is so easy to use. They're just focusing on, how do I get clients? How do I build a pipeline? A self-generated pipeline that's going to bring tons of clients in. And guess what? They're building it off of my community, because I have all of the building blocks they possibly need. So again, if you're willing to work hard, you're willing to come in and really trust, I think you will love the community, and it's free when you sign up with High Level. You don't have to pay me anything. All this stuff, the calls, the trainings, the snapshots, all of this, it's free when you sign up with my 30-day free trial link down below. So please go check that out. I think you're really going to like it. But more importantly, do yourself a favor and get ready for the future, because AI is only getting better. Soon you'll have an army of AI minions doing everything. It's basically going to turn you into a one-man or one-woman army where you can do so much more. But guess what? AI can't sell deals for you just yet. And even if it could, there's going to be restrictions. That's why the human element of sales, okay, and I don't just mean like talking fast. I mean like getting to know people and having a network, that will always be king. And it's only going to get more important. So please do yourself a favor, sign up for the 30-day free trial link down below, get in the community, and let's get you moving once and for all. And let's get you some AI minions, okay? Let's get you AI minions. Let's get you an army of them. Got one? Get you 20. Let's do it. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please drop them down below. I will answer personally. This is really, really important. If you have questions, you got to put them down below, because I will then answer them. So please do that. Also, if you're interested, sign up with that link down below. I think it's going to help you. More importantly, I'm going to have a video that's going to pop at the end of this video that's going to go over everything that is in this community. It's going to go really in depth, what we do, how we help people, show you some video testimonials, case studies, so you can see that this is real and it's free. And that's going to pop at the end of this video. So again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop them down below and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.